Hey, this is my new sushi making kit. And the good people at the Delamu store, they kindly sponsored this video so that I could share this kit with you. Now, whether you just want a quick and convenient way to make sushi, or you want to bring your friends and family together for a fun sushi making experience, this kit has got you covered. Right out of the box, you're gonna get all the tools you need to craft your very own sushi making experience. You get the bazooka roller, 2 bamboo mats, the sushi cutter, and all the utensils you need to get this done. And for the kids, there's even these fun animal-shaped rice molds. Now, I used this kit at home to make sushi with my kids, and we actually had a lot of fun. Now, even though we have made sushi before, it did not turn out very well, and it was a huge mess. So I really enjoyed how simple this kit made it for us to actually roll up and slice our sushi wraps, all while keeping the kitchen fairly clean. The best part is, all of these pieces are very kid-friendly, and even for our first time making sushi with this kit, it was really easy to use, and the meal turned out looking great. So if you want an easy way to get started making sushi, or you just want a fun sushi making experience for your family, trust me, get this sushi kit, you'll be glad you did.